A very good day to everyone. Welcome to watch my PSM1 presentation video. My name is Chong Ling and my title is Development of Augmented Reality AR for Indoor Decoration. So for the introduction, the problem background are there exists a competition between large interior design companies. Besides, 2D indoor decoration design always fail to satisfy the clients in this fast-growing digital era and revolution 4.0. The clients cannot view a better graphics of visualization with the 2D indoor decoration design to refer. So next, the interior designer is difficult to collaborate with the clients for collecting the indoor decoration ideas by referring the 2D indoor decoration design. So the project aim is to develop a multi-user augmented reality AR indoor decoration application. So the project objectives are to design an AR application for indoor decoration by applying AR measuring and markerless AR. To develop an AR application with natural AR environment for the clients to view the indoor decoration done by the interior designer. So to evaluate the proposed AR application on the interior designers and their clients for achieving convenience and satisfaction of both users. So the project scopes are specified for the indoor decoration only and limited to the 3D indoor types of decoration items. Allows user to choose the 3D decoration item from the provided choices and interact with them by the limited virtual object manipulation techniques, which are translating, rotating, and placing. So for the chapter 2 literature review, augmented reality AR is a technology that combines virtual information with the real world. So there are 5 basic AR concepts. So there are 2 types of AR and techniques. The first one is marker-based AR. Marker-based AR requires a marker to active an augmentation. So such as image and object as the AR marker. So next, markerless AR. Markerless AR uses SLAM for pen detection. So there are 4 categories, which are location-based AR, superimposition AR, projection-based AR, and outlining AR. So there are some differences between marker-based AR and markerless AR. So the literature review will be continued with the AR implementation in indoor decoration. So there are some processes in architecture and key features for the AR indoor decoration application. So for the AR measuring, the system can measure space dimension quickly and precisely to making perfect for indoor decoration. So it supports space planning in interior design. So for the multi-user with Unity networking, PUN. So multi-user concept in PUN was used to combine with Unity engine to develop a multi-user application. So how multi-user can be implemented in AR? So it is important for collaborative AR indoor decoration application. So multi-user is implemented as a client can view the 3D interior design done by the interior designer in the same AR environment and maybe make some changes on it. So there are some comparison between the existing system, which are IKEA Place, UDecor, and Housey. So after that, I will explain about the project methodology. So there are 4 phases for the project methodology. The first phase is study augmented reality AR application for indoor decoration. The second phase is develop AR application for indoor decoration. The third phase is integrate AR indoor decoration application with multi-user. So the fourth phase is evaluation of the effectiveness of AR application on indoor decoration. So next, for the AR indoor decoration, there are 2 types of user. There are host for interior designer and clients for clients. So there are 3 types of indoor spaces that can be chosen to be decorated, which are living room, dining room, and bedroom. So this is the use case of AR indoor decoration application. So next, there are 2 AR techniques to be used in my proposed project. So there are AR measuring and AR plan detection. So this is the process for AR measuring and AR plan detection. So next, for the multi-user in PUN, if the AR user places a virtual object at a position, it should also show the virtual object at that same position for another AR user to view it. So if the AR user changes the behavior of a virtual object, it should also show the same change for another AR user to view it. So it will be the integration of AR indoor decoration with multi-user. So there are two sides for the application. This is for the AR indoor decoration application on host side, and then this is for the client side. So next, the evaluation of the AR app for indoor decoration, I will use the System Usability Skill SUS to evaluate. So 5 interior designers pair with their 5 clients will participate it. So SUS score above 68 will be considered a good system, and then below 68 will be the bad system. So after that, this is the questionnaire of SUS. So these are the system requirements and specifications will be used. So after that, we explain about the expected result. So these are the expected requirement analysis. So this is also the requirement analysis. And then after that, the expected AR workspace setting requires each user using the proposed AR indoor decoration application in the same physical environment. So the physical environment must have an empty indoor space for the purpose of AR decoration. So the equipment is 2 Android mobile devices for each user. So next, this is a database design. And then for the expected UI design, the host user can create a room by entering the room name, while the client user can enter the same room name to join the room. So they will enter the same room to access the multi-user AR environment. After that, host GUI host can create a room, measure the space dimension, and choose the room type to be decorated. After that, host can choose the 3D furnishing model. The 3D furnishing model will be popped up, and then host can manipulate 3D model position and orientation. Host can modify 3D model color and material. So after that, client will join the room also, and then view the whole process and request permission. So client manipulate and modify 3D model. So after that, host GUI for placing 3D model, he or she can click place to place the 3D furnishing model after user manipulation and modification. After that, he can click continue to continue the AR indoor decoration process, or finish to produce AR indoor decoration application output. So this is the expected AR output. So the host can take a screenshot of the indoor decoration and share it to others for the next step of real indoor space decoration. So that I will explain about the conclusion. So based on the project objectives, the first objective is achieved in PSM1, which is to design an AR application for indoor decoration by applying AR measuring and markerless AR. So next, there are 2 objectives will be continued to be achieved in PSM2, which is to develop an AR application and evaluate the proposed AR application. So next, there are 2 constraints, which are no proper equipment to test and debug the application, and no prior experience in producing markerless AR and AR measuring. So for the PSM planning, based on the project methodology, there are 3 phases left, which is develop, integrate, and evaluate the proposed AR application. So that's all from me. Thank you.